Okay, I don't care if you think this song is lame or that you're not allowed to play it at guitar stores. Today's the day you're going to learn the intro to Stairway to Heaven. So let's just, shut up and do it. So it's in A minor, but play an A minor bar chord up on the 5th fret because that's where we'll begin. So the first note is the 7th fret of the D string, then 5th of the G, B, and E strings like that. So easy enough so far, right? Right after that, you take your pinky, put it on the 7th fret of the high E string, but you want to slide this finger down or remove this finger, put this one on the 6th fret of the D string, and you pluck those at the same time like this. And because this finger was already here, lay it back down and do the 5th of the G and B. So all together so far. Hit the high E string again, and then you go to the 8th fret of the high E string, while you lay this finger flat on the 5th fret of the D, G, and B strings, but you pluck those two together right there. 5th fret of the D, 8th fret of the high E string, and now 5th of the B, 5th of the G. So you sort of come back down the other way. So all together. Pretty cool. Now hit the 8th fret of the high E string one time, and now go to a D major. And you're plucking the open D string and the 2nd fret of that high E string. Like that. So D major shape right here. 2nd, 3rd fret of the B, 2nd fret of the G string. Back to the 2nd fret of the high E string. And now you go to an F major, but you're leaving this high E string open. Very cool. So 1st fret of the B string, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the D string with that open E, and you pluck again that D string. So do that a couple times. You're just hitting the B, G strings. Now to a G major, but don't worry about the high notes. Just go open B string with the 3rd fret of the low E string to an A minor, and that's the open A and 1st fret of the B string. So, and then that cool little bass note goes like this. Pretty cool. Open A, 8th fret of the A string, 7th fret of the A string. So all together. Get a little fancy picking right there, and then at some point, So check out my full lesson on that. I think I teach it in 3 or 4 minutes as fast as I can because it's a long song, but it's super fun. All right, let me know what you think. Tell me if you hate this song. Tell me if you love it, and I'll catch you around.